so it's day one of DuneFest. The family came up here. We hung out for a couple days just to relax. Actually, just had 2 days between AXA-Fest. So, dude, we got the campground is maxed out. So we are chilling. So yeah, got the Freightliner. She's all wrapped now, and all the lights are working. And last night the guys got in late and stayed the night in it. And heater works perfect, which is rad. So 2 beds, UTV, it's all dialed in. So everything's looking good. Ready to get on the sand and go have some seconds later than you think. Alright, we just got done. Blunt and Cody launched the 2-seater, and dude, that thing flies so good. So now we're gonna go check out a lake that's, I guess, right on the sand. So we're gonna go check it out. But this place so far, not disappointing. Pretty fun time right now. Checking the water hole out. Family mobile, good thing. Super epic. It's pretty unreal right here. This is Oregon DuneFest for you. So that used to be a rope swing, but they cut the tree down to be jerks. But we bought some little sleds. And now we're gonna try to sled her, so we'll see how it goes.
Go like this, and then you just dig in, scorpion. Can't see anything right now, so. Banshee rolled out, dude. These are my people.
Go up and ask them if you do a flag start.
Alright. I want to do the start. Can I do that? Yes. Alright. That's the coolest thing ever, dude. This guy in the Banshee is just popping wheelies like nobody's business. The guy's throwing like a 300-foot rooster tail out the back. Dude.
Alright, Saturday night. We are, well, it's raining first of all, or misting. But we're getting ready to go lead the trail ride for the night, which we did one this earlier today. It was epic. So got a couple hundred cars here in line, ready to follow my 4-seat Can-Am with 4 adults in it. So we're gonna have some fun. Hopefully the sand is not too heavy.
race behind.
That was unreal. We just finished it, almost probably over 200 UTVs, and I led the whole way, so it was insane. Everyone, some of our friends from up here now said that it was like a full-blown battle behind us, so dude, unreal. That was amazing to get to go out there and lead the field through all the sand, and so pretty stoked on that.
Oh man, I should have changed my mirror, dude. My mirror's all broken. My mirrors are broken. I cannot see out of my mirror.
In the cup holder.
Hey, does that work? Look right here.
Break my neck. What are you talking about?
You got a backflip?
I could backflip that.
No, you backflip.
I don't feel like getting all sandy.
Oh. Kyle. You alive?
Gray on gray. Gray on gray on gray on gray on gray on gray. Gray on gray. Gray, gray, gray.
Gray on black.
On gray. Want the chocolate? Gray on gray on gray on gray. Gray. Gray.